Hi everyone, so welcome back to today's video. Today's video is going to be a decluttering video. This, I don't look like this throughout the whole video and you're probably going to think I probably look an absolute mess throughout this video, which would be correct, I do. I just sort of want to put into like context. My room doesn't look like that all the time. My room is generally a very clean place. Like my room is generally like always like a clean place and things are organised. I just had a lot of things organised in places where there was just too much of it, so that's what sort of urged the tidy up. So I just sort of wanted to put that into context, and yeah, I feel like it was important to tell you that because I felt like the more and more I was editing it, and I was like, I don't want people to think my room's like this all the time, because it's not. And I feel like you probably know that if you watch my videos all the time anyway. I just wanted to, for peace of mind, I just wanted to clear that up. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Comment down below any other videos you want to see, and yeah, I did enjoy filming it. I did really enjoy filming it, and I really want to do some more like decluttering videos in the future. I have already started to post some things on my Depop, so I will post my Depop down below. But yeah, if you want to see, what I got up to in this video, then carry on watching. Hello everyone, happy Saturday. So welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing my face, then hi, my name is Honor. My channel goes Blondie, and yeah, we're gonna sort shit out today. Basically I'm gonna declutter my room. I've never done one of these videos. I've done decluttering my makeup before, things like that, and they seem to go down very well. I've already started it, so it looks a lot worse now than it was. It wasn't really a mess before. It was an organised mess. I have a lot of stuff in a very small space. There's a lot of makeup and a lot of clothes. That is the root of the problem. So today we're just gonna sort it out. So basically, as you can see here, so these are empty now. This has just got underwear in this, got camera equipment, trainers. Some brand new, some haven't brand new, some haven't been worn. They're my leather boots. They're my boots. Then this is also clear. This is all clear under here. That's the plug socket cut out there. Then these are the clothes. The clothes, what I want to tackle next. This is what we're dealing with. This is what we're dealing with. See, like, as you can tell, like, it's all literally like makeup, clothes, and more makeup. Yeah, I'm going to tackle the clothes next. I really want to do that, like, with you guys. So I'm actually going to do the clothes decluttering, honestly. So yeah, right. I needed to get I've got a black bag, over there. I've got a black bag, and basically, this is all clear now. Like, and this is how I want it to stay. So obviously before I didn't even have anything on there. Before I literally had a tin of I just had a tin with my receipts and my cards I get from brands in, and then just my shoes like stacked up. I don't want my shoe boxes anymore. I think I'm gonna put all the shoes under my bed because there's like nothing under there. So yeah, yeah, and I don't wear my clothes, so I need to get rid of them. Like, obviously here, let me show you. I've got this off the back. I don't wear this ever. Like, this used to be very much my style. My style's definitely changed. Like, look at this. It's got butterflies on it, pencils, glasses. I don't wear things like this anymore, so I think it needs to go. I put things on Depop because you all always ask me to put things on Depop, and then I'm also going to send some to the charity shop. But yeah, I'll put it on Depop first, like my nice things, and then like older things I'll send to the charity shop. Yeah, I've decided to watch Before I Fall whilst decluttering, so I'm gonna watch that. I was gonna talk through like doing my wardrobe, but I thought, so yeah, I'm actually gonna time lapse this bit and we'll see how far I can get with this. Probably get rid of things like this. I did a video on this, but I wore this to the Zoella apartment, and it's got so much like sentimental value, so I don't feel like I should get rid of it, but then at the same time it's like I'm never going to wear it again. Lots of like keepsakey things that I don't want to get rid of, but I want to keep, so I'll put that to the side. Yeah, everything I've just literally thrown is going to go to the charity shop or Depop. So yeah, check out my Depop. I'm going to start a new one because my other one's like my old Instagram name and no one is literally going to know what that is. So yeah, I'll set up a new one called Ghost Monday, so check it out if there's anything you want. I'll put all the sizes in there. The sizes probably range from like 18 to like 20, 22, but yeah, like things like this, I'm not gonna wear this anymore. It's got like, I used to love this like back in the day. Used to wear this all the time, but I probably haven't worn it in like 4 years. So why is it still in my wardrobe? I don't know. Like, it still fits, but we don't need it. Here, all these clothes, they're all clothes, they're gonna go. They're gonna go. So I have done the clothes now. This is all I'm keeping and it's all organised. We've got, I've decided to put my jackets up there this time as well. Jackets, jumpers, like these are all like jumpers. So when it comes to summer, the wardrobe's gonna look slightly sparse. We then got round neck jumpers, which is all I seem to wear. And then we've got shirts. These two new ones are from Boohoo. We've then got other more shirts. These are actually both from Primark. We've got like long dresses and dresses, some dressier tops, and then just all t-shirts, and that's sort of it. And as you can see, they're like colour coordinated to an extent because they're like weird colours. There's that. The clothes on the bed here. Because I've got a lot of new swimwear from Cupshe. Back of the door, I need to sort out all my dressing gowns because I've got about 4, and I mean I only wear 1. So yeah. Put all my Depop stuff in one bag, charity shop in the other, the makeup and things like that, because that's gonna be the problem. I mean, clothes is easy, it's fine. I can just sort out and put it into piles, but I don't know what to do with the makeup because there's so much of it. And to an extent, I do use it, but then sort that out, organise everything. I'll show you me decluttering the makeup as well, but for now I just want to clear the bed and sort the wardrobe out, and then we can move on to that side of the room. So I finished the wardrobe and I'm going to show you what it looks like. It took me roughly about an hour and a half to do the wardrobe. Like an hour and a half to do the wardrobe. I only know that because I just finished the film. Do not, I'm so confused, but so the clothes all done, empty, that's not going there, that's just there. Drawers are done, pajamas. We've just got to tackle this. That's totally Bombshell. I knew that was Bombshell, that's when you know it's a good shade. Sorting this one out. This is like electronic things. I feel like there are things I could definitely get rid of. I've got so many headphones. Oh. No capes. Losing the will to live. Bin. Binned. Looking for that. Needed that. Primark receipts. Primark receipts are like gold dust. Do not lose them because you can't return. I've just had a moment of madness where I realised exactly what I need. Scrunchies, clothes, mask is done. Obviously all these brushes aren't usually out, but I want to clean all of them, which is why I've left them all out. These are all the Huda metals. These are all brushes, all very dirty. These are my newish ones I use, and I did clean, so yeah, ignore that. Yeah, my nice lipsticks I like to display. Only actually Jeffree Star and MAC ones. I don't actually use the MAC ones anymore. The bed is clear. The shelf's clear. That's my phone. This is clear. This is clear and clean. The thing we didn't do today was the door, but we'll tackle that in tomorrow's vlog. We are on to the final bit. I just want to say, if you made it to this point in the video, congratulations. So hi everyone, so I just thought I'd hop on and say goodbye because evidently so I didn't finish the video. I was literally doing it from what time? I didn't finish till so late because I just wanted to get everything done. I've donated so many clothes, donated so much makeup, and I'm just so happy with the overall result. I mean, it looks so much fresher and clearer. If you'd like an updated room tour like in daylight, then do let me know because I'm up for filming. But yeah, thank you so much. So I've slowly started adding things to Depop, so make sure you check that out. I'll leave the link in my bio and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.